पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटेन बाणावलेचो आमदार वेन्झी विएगास आणि आमदार आलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड हांचे सयत कोलवा दर्यावेळेची पळोवणी केली। कोलवा क्रिकाचे जाल्ले इरोजन ही एक गंभीर समस्या, ताजेर पर्यावरण तज्ञ तसेच खाते पळोवणी करतले आणि ताजेर उपाय काडटले अशें खंवटेन ह्या वेळार सांगले। तशेंच ह्या विशीं दक्षिण गोंय जिल्लो अधिकाऱ्याच्या उदका स्त्रोत खात्या कडेन ह्या विशीं उलोवन ते थांबोवपा खातीर काम सुरू करचें, जेणे करून इरोजन जावचें ना अशें रोहन खंवटे म्हणटा।
Sea erosion is a very serious problem for the beaches. Kolwa in south, which comes under Venzi's constituency, is one of the most preferred destinations as far as beach circuit is concerned. Yeah, beach we are already having plans to make it into an iconic stretch where a lot of planes are coming in embed, and we want to do it with under Swadesh Darshan scheme. ती करता असताना एकदम sea erosion has been everywhere throughout the state, and that is one important issue which we have been talking to environment and the rest of the people to see how we can tackle it. वर्सान वर्सा बीच इरोड जायत आसात, and it's a very serious concern for a destination like Goa where we talk about sand. आज जेन्ना वेंजी कडल्यान कळ्ळें की हें इरोजन जालां, रेजिनाल्डान फोन मारलो, then I thought that we should first go and attend कित्याक कोलवा आमी during the season time also we came in power when the season was just ending, and वेंजी तेन्ना सांगतालो येवन पयले पळय, we need to have lot of things in place. The south is beaches are one of the most beautiful beaches, and we need to ensure that they are retained for posterity. आता जे नॅचरल कॅलॅमिटी सुरू जातात, इरोजन जाता बाय वॉटरवेज कमिंग इन, वॉटर चॅनल्स ओपनिंग अप, विच इज नॉट प्रेडिक्टेड बट जस्ट कम्स इन. म्हाका दिसता दिस इज सिरियस थॉट विच वी नीड टू गिव and start studying this issue, which we are already putting some agencies on board, whether it is NIO or whether it is environment. We are trying to understand how to handle it.